In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in a Microsoft Teams channel. This process is straightforward and will help ensure that everyone on your team stays informed and connected. Whether you're organizing a quick catch-up or a comprehensive project review, scheduling a meeting in Teams is an essential skill for maintaining efficient collaboration. First, you'll want to begin by signing in to your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Teams app or website and enter your credentials. This step is crucial to access all the features you need to set up your meeting effectively. Once you're in, you'll likely find yourself on the main dashboard where all the action takes place. Next, look for the community section within the Teams interface. This area is your go-to spot for finding the right channel where your meeting should take place. Once you locate it, click on community to dive deeper into the team or group you're working with. Selecting the correct channel is important because it ensures the meeting is visible to all relevant participants, making scheduling and attendance seamless. Now it's time to create your new event. Look for the option that says Create New Event and give it a click. This step is where you'll start specifying the details that make your meeting unique and tailored to your team's needs. You'll see a new form pop up where you can enter all the pertinent information for your upcoming meeting. Start by typing the title of your meeting. The title should be concise yet descriptive enough so that everyone invited knows what to expect. A clear title helps participants prioritize their time and aligns their expectations, ensuring that everyone shows up on the same page. After you've set the title, take a moment to add some details about the meeting. This section is your opportunity to provide a brief agenda or any additional context that might be helpful for attendees. Including details such as the objectives or topics to be covered can enhance the meeting's productivity and keep everyone engaged. Finally, you'll wrap things up by clicking on the Send button. This action sends out the invitation to all the intended participants, effectively scheduling the meeting in their calendars. It's a good idea to double check all the information before sending it out, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Remember, once the meeting invite is sent, adjustments can still be made, but it's always best to get it right the first time to minimize any confusion. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in a Microsoft Teams channel. This skill will empower you to keep your team coordinated and on track, making the most out of your collaborative efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.